how to perform 8-bit division using 8085 microprocessor. First, I am going to explain about the logic of division program. Here, we cannot do the direct division. For example, you take divide B. So in 8051 microcontroller, there is an instruction is called as divide B. What it will do means it will divide the number from A and B register and the result will be stored in the A register. But in 8085 microprocessor, there is no divide instruction is available. So you have to do the repeat subtraction. So now I am going to explain the logic of repeat subtraction. First you take one number 9. Next I am taking second number 2. I am going to divide this number. 9 divided by 2 means your answer will be 4. Quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. So first I am going to initialize C register as 0, 0. I am taking two number. One number is called as 9. Another number is 2. So now I am going to divide this number. So the answer is quotient is 4, remainder is 1. So how to perform using this repeat subtraction? First I want to subtract these two number. Before that you have to check whether the A value is greater than B. First you have to check. Yes, A value is greater. So you have to do the subtraction. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Next you have to increment the C register. It will become as 1. Next one is 7, 2. So now you check 7 is greater than B. Yes. So you have to subtract. You will get 5. Increment the C register. Next 5 is greater than 2. So subtract. You will get 3. Now increment the 3 register. Now 3 minus 2. 3 is greater than 2. So subtract. You will get us 1. Now C increment. Now you check 1 is less than 2. So no need to go for the subtraction. So this is called as a quotient and this is called as remainder. Next we are going to see the program, how you are going to execute the program. Good morning students. Today I am going to explain about division of two 8-bit numbers. So I am going to take two samples. First input is 66, second input is 22. So 66 divided by 22, you will get as quotient as 3 and the remainder as 0, 0. Second input, 7 is the first input, second one is the 2. 7 divided by 2, so your quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. So you can see how to execute this division program using 8085 microprocessor. So first what I am doing means LXIH 9000. So if you use this instruction, what will happen is H is equal to 90 and L is equal to 0, 0. It will initialize or it will load the value in the H register. Next one is move A comma M. So first value is A is equal to 7. You take 7. So first address is 9000. The data is 7. That is moved to the A register. MBI C comma 0, 0 means C register is become 0, 0. Increment the HL register pair. So already HL register address is 9000. It will become as 9001. Move B comma M. So 9001, what is the data available? 3. So that 3 is moved to the B register. Next one is compare B. Compare B means now you have to check whether A is greater than B or not. Why you are checking means because if the A is less than B means we cannot divide that number. So you are checking first whether the A is greater or not. So now after comparing, you will get no carry. No carry means the A is greater. What is the meaning means after comparing, if you get no carry, that means A is greater number. So what means A is greater, sub B. Sub B means A is equal to 7, B is equal to 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So the first A value is 7, Now after subtraction, it will become as 4. Now what you have to do means increment the C register. Increment the C register. So already C register is 0, it will become as 1 now. Next one is jump L2. It will come here. Now it will compare A and 3. So A value is 4 and B value is 3. Now also you will get no carry. No carry means it will subtract once again. So what will happen means 4 minus 3, your answer is 1. Next one is increment the C register. So it will become as 2. Next jump L2, it will come here. Now the A value is 1, it will compare with the B register. So you will get an carry because A is less. So carry means it will come to the loop L1. So L1 it will come. STA 9002. So what is the data available here? 1. So that is called as remainder. 1 is the remainder, or otherwise you can put as this is called as 3 and this is called as 2. So the remainder will be stored in the 9003 memory location because accumulator consists of only the remainder. STA 9003 means A value is 1, that will be stored in the memory location 9003. So now the 9003 value is 1. Move C comma A. So C value is 2. Now it is moved to the A register. Now STA 9002. So 9002, your value will be 2. So if you divide 7 divided by 3, you will get as quotient as 2 and the remainder as 1. So this is all about the division of two 8-bit numbers. Next, I am going to explain another one program. It's same as multiplication. If any one of the input is 0, so what will happen to your output? So this first program, if any one of the input is 0, your output you will get a wrong output. So for that, I'm going to write a complicated program. So that program we can see in the next. Next, I'm going to explain a complicated division program. So in the previous division program, if you are giving a non-zero numbers, you will get the correct output. And if you do any one of the input as 0, so output you will get as wrong. So now I'm going to explain about how to divide a number with a non-zero. So for example, I'm taking two numbers, 66 divided by 0. This is nothing but 1 by 0 is nothing but infinitive. So I'm writing as output is FF. So FF is the highest 9-bit number. So infinity means large. So I'm putting as FF. 0 divided by 1 means you'll get the answer 0. So first what I'm doing means I'm storing the value 9000. HL register, the value will be 9000. A is equal to 0. Next one is B is equal to 0. Next I'm taking initially move C also 0. Move D comma M. So the first data I'm moving to the memory location. What is the first data? 66. I'm moving to the D register. You can take a small number. D is equal to some 5 you take. Compare D. So A value is 0, D value is 5. So it is a non-zero number. So what it means, it will come here, it will increment. So it will become as 9001. Move D comma M. So what is the value available? M. So that is called as 0. So now the B value is 0. Now you check, compare with B. So what compare B means A and B will compare. So now what means it will 0 flag will set. So if the 0 flag is set, so immediately it will go to the loop L2. So it will come to loop L2. So what is the instruction? MEI A comma FF. So A value will become as FF and that value will be stored in the memory address 9002. So 9002 is called as infinitive. FF means infinitive. You'll call the program. So if first number is a non-zero number and the second number is a zero number, your answer will be infinitive. Or next we can check first number. First number is 0, 0. Now what you will miss, it will check whether compare D means D, it will compare with A register. Jump 0. Now it is 0. 0 means it will come here and it will store STA 9002. What is the value of A? 0, 0. So it will store in the memory location 9002. So if the first number is a non-zero number and second number is a 0, your answer will be FF. And if the first number is 0 and the second number is anything, automatically your result will be 0. So this is the new thing. Next, I'm going to give some new numbers. You take 8. So D is equal to 8. Compare D. So it is a non-zero number. So it will increment the HL register pair. So it will become as 9001. Move B comma M. So now what means B value will become as, you will take some value is 03. Compare D. So it is a non-zero number. So what you have to do means move A comma D. So now what means D register value is 8. It is moved to the A register. So now the A will become as 8. Compare B. So A value is 8, B value is 3. Compare. So what means A value is greater. So if the A value is greater, you have to subtract. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Next, increment the C register. So C is equal to 1. Next one is jump L3. Compare B. So what means A value is 5. It will compare with B value 3. So now also no carry. No carry means once again it will subtract. So 5 minus 3 is equal to, you get 2. Increment the C register. So C will become as 2. Next jump L3, it will come here. Now it will compare B. A value is 2 and B value is 3. So you will get carry. So carry means what means it will jump to L5. It will come here. And what is the increment the HL register pair? So 9002. Because already you are having 9001, it will be must 9002. Move M comma C. So now I am going to store the quotient. So quotient value is 2. Because 8 divided by 3 means quotient is 2, remainder is 2. So now you can see there C value is 2, that is moved to this memory address. So you will get us 2. Next one is increment the HL register pair. So 9003. Already 9002, it is 2. Next one is move A comma M. What is the value in the A register? 2. So 9003, the value is 2. Next is jump L4. It will come and halt. So if you divide 8 divided by 3, your answer is quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2. So in this program, we can give any types of inputs. So the next